garden. It is mid-October here in Kentucky, a little big bump, and we're supposed to have a frost within the next couple days. So I'm going to go ahead and plant my garlic. It's from Filaree Garlic Farm, which is in Washington. It's a great farm, from what I've heard from other homesteaders and gardeners who grow garlic. So I decided to buy from them this year. I bought this back in July and it came a few days ago. So I got the soil turned up in the raised beds. I pulled out all of the dead stuff that we grew this year, and I put some manure in it and mixed it all up a few days ago. So hopefully it's ready to go. So we're going to go plant this. This is a red chestnut variety. I have 3 big bulbs. Yes. Yes. Said I've never grown garlic before, so you shouldn't take my word as gospel, okay? I've watched a lot of videos, listened to a lot of podcasts, so we are just going to give it our best shot. I'm going to plant these 4 inches deep, 6 inches apart. I have very small raised beds. I'm not sure how much room I'm going to have for all this garlic, so we're just going to see what happens. One project I wanted to get done before baby number 2 got here was in the back flower garden. I wanted to surround it with rocks from our creek that we have. Originally, this flower bed was surrounded with just some old cinder block stone things, and they didn't look very pretty. So off to the creek we went, and we carried loads and loads of rocks back up and got them all nice and pretty, and I love it. It looks so much better. Projects before baby number 2. Another project we wanted to get done was replace our old ratty furniture that was in our bedroom with some really nice antique looking furniture. My parents just moved and they were selling everything in their house, so they sold us a few pieces that we refinished. We sanded them, we painted them, we put a glaze on them to make them look old, we distressed them. It was a lot of work, but it was well worth the effort, and I'm super thankful that my husband puts up with all my crazy ideas and projects. show some of the details of things that I had hung up, and some of these things I've collected over the years. We have some masks from Italy that we bought when we were over there, some old books that I've been just eyeballing from my mother for years, and she finally gave them to me when she moved. Some old plates, some are from Goodwill, some are from my mom, and they all are really special to me because some I've had for a long time and some I've wanted for a long time. So it was just the perfect addition to our new room. Fall in Kentucky is always interesting because you never really know what kind of weather you're going to get. I still have bell peppers coming on my plants. The weather is still mild. I'm so happy we got our garlic planted because we actually do have a frost coming up within the next few days. And it's just a really special time. We're turning our focus inward, focusing on home projects and baking, and I hope to share a lot of that with you before baby number 2 comes, as well as after he comes, which is so soon now. We've been celebrating birthdays. It's just been a really special time, and I'm excited to see what the rest of 2020 brings. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know that my editing skills can be a little bumpy at times, so thank you so much for bearing with me, and please tune in for the next video.